I invested just 100 US dollars, and in just 2 weeks, I received $200. Have you ever heard such statement? To some, it's a big opportunity that need not be to be lost. But to me, the raises an important question. Where is that money coming from? My name is Naiko Makunda, and on this channel, I'm going to talk about business investment, business formalization, compliance, business systems, and growth. For many years, people have been losing money through these investment schemes, where people are promised quick money, quick returns, quick riches. There is no problem with finding somewhere to invest your money. There is no problem in multiplying your income. There is no problem in investment that will give you a lot of money. But in whatever you are going to do with your money, you need to ask a question. Where is that money coming from? You need to analyze how you are going to be paid back your money if you are going to invest. Right? Let's take, for example, like I mentioned earlier, you invest your $100, then you are promised that in 3-4 weeks or 2, you are going to get your money with 100% interest. When you invest $100, you're going to get $200. To many people, they feel like, I've made it in life, and so is. And many people, they don't want to lose those opportunities. But this is a trap that many people have lost their hard-earned income. Let me tell you how. Look at the financial institutions that we have here in Zimbabwe or other countries around the globe. When they get your money, when you say you are going to bank your money, then you are going to give an interest. There is no way where you can get 100% interest in such a short period of time. Also, when those institutions, with their sophisticated systems, with their well-educated professionals, when they lend money to businesses, they don't request those high interest rates of 100%, even per annum. Usually, they charge small interests that are going to be spread over 12 months, over a period of time. But now, if you are getting those money so quick outside there, where there are no sophisticated systems, you need to question yourself, how are they going to make money? Where are they going to get that money that they are going to give me? So when the banks and other financial institutions, when they lend people money and charge those low interest rates, they know and understand that in a real business, when people are making realistic profits in those lawful business activities, it's very difficult for you to make such that a profit. Because if you give that person your $100 and they go and do their business there, for you to be given $200, it means that they went and used your $100 and got something which is more than $200. So when they give you back money, they need to have something on their side so that they continue producing doing that business. Number one. Number two, when you are giving people your money, when they promise that you are doing an investment, you need now to understand and know what type of business are they doing. If you don't even know, and if you don't understand the type of business that they're doing, I encourage you not to do that investment. For example, if you see people coming out with some profits, it means that there is a process. There is a value that has been given to people for people to pay you. For example, a farmer, when they get money, they go and invest there in food production. They go and sell to the market. When they get money, they will be able to pay those people who lent them capital, pay the interest, and come back with some money to go forward with their business. But if there is no a business, a realistic business, it may mean that you are being played around with your mind. When you are putting money and there is no real value that is being created with that money. So some people may ask, if I gave them money today, I gave them $100, then in the next 2 weeks I was given $200. Why do you say I need not to do that? And where are they getting that money? I want to tell you, my ladies and gentlemen, that in business, money does not come through magic. Now in business, in a real business, there is no magic where you can put your money today, then tomorrow it just multiply anyhow. But so this is what happens. So when some of these schemes, they come and operate, and sometimes for those people who come first, they will receive maybe their doubled income, but later on the system will crash. And I want to tell you how. For example, now people advertise, they say you invest your $100 today, then in the next 2 weeks you come back and collect the double portion. Today, for example, you come 10 people, they come with their $100. It means in the system now there is what? $1,000. Then tomorrow, when other 10 guys come again, they put their money. It means that there is now what? There is now $2,000. But what happens with this system is that at first, the people who come in and invest their money, they will be increasing at an increasing rate. Which, what I'm trying to say is that today there comes 10 people with the $100, but tomorrow there comes 15 people with the $100. Then tomorrow 20 people with the $100, because now those people who invested, they are going to tell their friends and tell their friends and tell their friends. And at the same time, when payout starts, it means that there will be double people who are going to come and put their money there. But here is the risk. People will come in every business. There is this growth that comes when even we are trying to draw some graphs. You see, there's 15 people came here, so it means 1,500. Tomorrow it's 2,500 that came. Tomorrow it's 3,000. Tomorrow it's 4,000. Tomorrow it's 6,000. But now it will come a time now where people who are joining, they are coming, but though the number is increasing, but it's now increasing at a decreasing rate, which means that today we received new registrations or new capital. New people invested $10, $100, they are 10. Tomorrow 5, tomorrow 1, tomorrow 0. But at the same time, many people are now coming in and collecting their money every day. So since there is no business activities that is taking place for those people to get money, there is no somewhere where value have been given to people to pay. There are no products that are being sold to other people so that they bring in money which is ready for distribution to those people who invested their money. It means that those people who received payments on the first time, they are receiving money that is coming from the people who are joining. And it seems as if the system is intact up until those people who are requesting withdrawals are now demanding much money than the money that is coming from new people. And many times, this is where the system crashes. You hear those people who were controlling the system, sometimes they vanish because now they cannot continue to operate and giving people money. They are not able to pay people back money, and now sometimes they run away. And if it is an online system, sometimes this is where sometimes people are now trying to log in, they cannot log in. So in every business transaction, in every investment scheme that you come across, you need to analyze. Don't rush to put your money there. There is no problem with the having riches. And I want to ask you, this is a question that I asked my friends some time ago, that the type of investment that you are excited with today, yes, it may make money, but don't go there with the feelings. understand the basic things. Why is it even the rich people that we know today, they are not into those business? You only, you're so excited today, you're putting those $100. If it was something that makes money, I think it was a business that was supposed to be done by everyone, even those big guys with money. But those people who are making money, if you find something, those people, these rich, the billionaires, the millionaires, they're not in those schemes. But that they are into business that create value. They are into business that there's what customers, they've got clients who pay money. So a proper business, if you want to put your money there, you need to know where there's a product which is being sold there, there's a savings that is being provided there. Those money that are coming from those people is the money that you're going to get. Even if you buy shares, it's not the shares that just to do a miraculous multiplication so that at the end of the year you get the shares, but it's the product or the service that have been given through the system that have been created by the organization that offered you shares that they're going to give you at the end of the year after making some profits. This is one of the ways that you need to do when you are making sure that you are investing your money. You need not to lose your money after working so hard. My name is Naiko Makunda. On this platform, we're going to share a lot of things around the business activities, how to invest, how to formalize your business, how to be compliant. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share.